Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel, and this is Gunpla World. Today's, we will suggested Gundam plastic models kits. Full Mechanics 1/100, Aerial Gundam. Bandai Spirits has officially revealed the Aerial Gundam's entry to the 1/100 scale model kit series to celebrate the upcoming TV anime, Mobile Suit Gundam. The Witch from Mercury. On the Mobile Suit Gundam. The Witch from Mercury's second season premiere on April 9th, Bandai Spirits have released the latest images of the kit, featuring studio shots and fully painted model, with the included decal stickers installed, which brings the details to the overall build. Finally, this is Full Mechanics 1/100, Aerial Gundam, the link for order in video description. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/item/5239. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe GMK World channel.